let the rainy season begin. June. And how did the month start? Well, just like any other, with a nice beer and a wonderful roast beef. And of course, there were things to do. A new passport and a trip for my jabs. This combination, combined with the possibility of a heavy shower, even thunder, meant that many of my walks were within the city. A colourful city. It's Pride Month, and that means lots of colour around the city of Chiang Mai. And even without the colourful ribbons, there's lots of really interesting things to see around the moat and in the lots. The rains have turned the River Ping a wonderful brown colour. What a great place to chill and take a nap. Whilst at home, the tortoises quite often prefer a cardboard box to their brick-built house. And boy, can they eat. And at home, I was doing my usual stint of editing, this one on the theme of red. And this one I just did because I like the look of chipmunk. Did I say chipmunk? Yes, I did. And in June it was her birthday. She had a fantastic party at the Clara Bar. Fortunately, I did manage to get out of the city, and I went up to Mae Kuang Dam. It's a wonderful area, lots of lovely things to see, and really nice people to meet. I do enjoy going up to Mae Kuang Dam. And of course, like many months, I enjoyed the occasional red wine at Momentum Wine and the occasional drink at the Red Lion. Not to mention, should I, the roast beef at the Red Lion. And that was June 2024, the rainy season.